Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI, and if you are looking for an easy way to jumpstart your car, then I highly recommend checking out this jumpstarter from Powrun. The P1 Max Jumpstarter packs a punch. It is suited for engines up to 10 liters, which covers a wide range of cars, trucks, SUVs, and even some larger vehicles like boats or RVs. This makes it a great option for various situations, from everyday emergencies to outdoor adventures. It comes with a convenient, sturdy carrying case. I really like the safety features. It is equipped with intelligent safeguards and smart chips. On a single charge, it can jumpstart vehicles up to 40 times, which is really impressive. Aside from the obvious features, this also has a plug on the side to charge tablets or phones. The LED light is another awesome tool to have. It offers 3 different modes. Once your jump starter is fully charged, it can last 24 months, which again is really a great feature. You can put this in your car and essentially forget about it till you need it and know that it will work. The screen on the front shows usage status and remaining power. This is easy to use. You simply insert the jumper cable into the socket, connect the clamps, wait for the green light, and then start your engine. In my opinion, this is a necessity for every car, and I'm really glad that we have this now. And that's my point of view.